In this video, we are going to talk about how to enable real-time data streaming using Python, publishing JSON messages on an API, and see how streaming data can be sent over an API to another application. So in this use case, we are going to push the data, the JSON format data. If you want to find out how to be created JSON file format, look at my previous video. So we are going to publish this data on API, which is written in Python. The JSON messages from Python would be published. Now this is API which is going to support streaming data on Power BI Cloud Service, which is going to be real-time dashboard. So it's going to push the data. The Python code is going to push the data on the API supported by Power BI. So let's see how it all happens. This is the code from the create JSON, and again you can watch the previous video on create JSON. I'm going to add a URL. I'm going to push it into a while true so that it's a continuous streaming, and I'm going to add a REST API URL. So this is the API from powerbi.com, which is going to enable me to push the data, and then this URL can consume the data and push it for real-time dashboards. I'm going to show you real-time dashboard here in a bit. And then this is the post statement. So I'm going to prepare the request. I'm going to use the URL here and the JSON data which I have created in the previous video. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. We created a data generation message, a function in which you have surrogate ID, random integer between 1 and 3, speed, random integer 20 and 200, date and time, and it's going to return this header. In this statement, there is a data raw which is going to use this data generation to get the data in a random format. And then that header is generated, or a header is defined using surrogate ID, speed, date, and time, which is then converted to a JSON format. Detailed video is in the previous video. Detailed talk about how we did this. Now we created a request using REST API URL and data JSON, which is this JSON. And then I'm going to just print a message saying that data posted in Power BI API. Now let me just run this and show you the magic. So this is posted, and you can see the real-time data here on the Power BI screen. It's a real-time data which is getting published, and you can see surrogate ID, speed, and the plot on this. In order to find out how we did it on Power BI, there is a separate Power BI series of videos, and I'm going to put the link of the Power BI video in the description section of the video below. Thank you for watching.